Taylor here with Agri Drones, and this is the best flight deck trailer on the market for spray drones. Mass-produced, lightweight, and customizable. I'm going to show you what I mean by customizable. We're going to load this trailer with our mixing station, our chemical, our water tanks, and our generator all in less than 5 minutes, and show you just what you can do with this trailer and why it's the best trailer on the market. Let's get started. So we're going to start with the Agri Drones Auto Mixer pallet unit here. This is a self-contained pallet unit, has everything you need for mixing and blending all your chemical. 4 products plus water, a pump, a hose reel, a blending station, everything you need's right there. That's it, we're done. Generator, tanks, mixing station, chemical. Everything is all right here, incredibly easy and customizable. So if you're running water and foliar fertilizer, water, foliar fertilizer. If you're running hot loads, take one of these tanks off, put your hot load on there. We're gonna run our recirculation lines from our pump up into our tanks, our water lines from here to our mixing system, our generator cord from back there, zip tied up and over, and put our chargers right up there. Everything it needs on here. All right, guys, just a real quick video. Stay tuned for more when we show you how we actually wire and plumb the rest of the trailer. See ya.